What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And as you see from the screen, we are going over Chainlink. Right now on the day, the daily candle just closed as it is 7 o'clock on March 7th, 2022. And on the day, Chainlink has moved about 4.69% in the bearish direction. Okay? As you can see, Chainlink is a top 25 pair. It's a top 50 pair, and this video I'm going to be going over just breaking down today's price action, technical analysis, and give a prediction on where I see Chainlink going in the future. Okay, so this video would allow you to give you guys some sort of an idea on how to take advantage on Chainlink's price action and make a sound decision on what to do next, right? But let me be clear, this is not financial advice. This is just me giving my thoughts on the pair. This is just to give an insight on Chainlink's next move. Okay, so if that's something that you're interested in, smash the like button and let's get into the video. Okay, so like I said, the daily candle just closed. You see, it's literally 2 seconds ago that the candle closed, and this is what happened. So if we zoom out a bit, you can see Chainlink has successfully closed below. This major support at 13.55. It is now hovering at a price of 12.70. And from this close, what I'm seeing is just off the bat, a continuation in bearish momentum to the downside. Why? Well, that's just the direction the market is going in. Simple as that. You know, because we are in a downtrend, and today's close just confirmed the price wants to continue going down. Right? But let's not be but it should be known that the crypto market can do whatever it wants. Price can do whatever it wants. This can easily close tomorrow as a bullish candle, and essentially, basically, and if that were to occur, it would mean that price is actually testing this area, and it would also mean that price is still respecting this support. Again, the only way we would know that is by coming back tomorrow after 7 o'clock and analyzing the daily candle close. Okay, but as of now, what I'm seeing is continuation in bearish momentum. Why? Because the daily time frame is currently on a downtrend. This printed a very bearish candle that broke below major support, well below major support, and we closed with a solid bearish candle. Okay, so that's all we get from this time frame. We can't really do anything more until after 7 o'clock and the new candle is printed tomorrow. But we could go on the 4 hour, get more information. Okay, and going on the 4 hour, we're essentially zooming into all the price, zooming into that daily candle close, and it basically gives us a more detailed look in how that the daily candle was formed, right? Between these two orange dotted lines right here, all of this is what caused that daily candle to form like that, right? As you can see, it formed by price essentially pushing upwards, retesting this area, right? After this little bit of retracement, retesting this area, finding some resistance, and falling to the downside. And all of that is essentially bearish characteristics, right? I have no reason to believe that if nothing happens and no catalyst comes out, that price would not find its way eventually to this area here at about $11.65. Okay, that's not to say that's going to happen. I don't have a crystal ball, right? Price can find support around here. Price can find support around here. Price can actually find support where it's at right now and all. Okay, and then find a reason to trend to the upside. But as of now, and the way that the candles are forming and closing, it looks as though price will eventually trickle its way to the downside, right? That's if nothing was to change, if the momentum stays the same, if the market sentiment stays the same, etc., etc. Right? That's what a bearish move would look like. Now, what would a bullish move look like? If price were to find some sort of support and start to turn around and turn bullish, I would only believe that if price on the 4 hour now, if this lower high breaks, right? I would need to see a break of this lower high to the left, right? And then some sort of higher low forming, and then I would possibly consider taking a counter trend move to this area here, which is $15. The reason why I say counter trend move is because even though that would occur, that would still not change the trend that's on the daily time frame, right? The daily time frame is still in the downtrend. As you can see, if price were to come up there, it's not breaking the structure to the left, which is the most recent lower high. Actually, that would just be putting in, if it was to come here, it would just tell me that price is possibly putting in a new lower high, right? To possibly continue down to the even further, right? Basically just printing more bearish trend characteristics, right? So that's what I see. But for intraday move, how can you catch, if you were a day trader of the crypto market, how could you catch the next bearish swing to the downside? Right? What are the signs that you should pay attention to? So the signs are, if you don't know and you're new to the channel, the way we trade on Pelitelli is just aligning ourselves with the trend. Okay? And right now in this bearish trend, we are at a lower low. So to ride this wave to the downside, we have to wait for price to print a lower high. Basically, we retrace some and give signal that it has found sort of a ceiling / resistance, and it gives us a bearish entry signal to the downside, which could be anywhere between a double top or a head and shoulder pattern, right? Or a bearish engulfing candle. All these things are valid. All these things are what I look for when I need confirmation that price is ready to continue in the direction of its trend, right? Now, but things to look at right now on the time, things that to pay attention to right now on the chart. Those are, as you can see, we seem to be having some sort of a bullish candlesticks forming right here. And if you're bearish, don't panic. This is normal. This is actually signs of a healthy trend. Why? Why do I say that? Simple. Because like I said, we just made a lower low, right? See what happened after this lower low is formed? Price started to retrace. And when it found structure, right? Structure or previous support term resistance, which is this area right here, right? You can draw a line, you can see where price respected this level. When it did that, it seemed to found some resistance and gave a bearish entry signal to the downside, right? And this is that bearish entry signal right here. A bearish engulfing candle after finding resistance, and then price died, right? And price literally just repeats itself over and over and over. But honestly, I more so do my technical analysis. For day trading, I do my technical analysis on the 1 hour and the 4 hour, but mainly the 1 hour, and I take my entry signals off of the 30 minute, anywhere between the 30 minute and the 5 minute. Okay, So that's Chainlink. Let me know if you guys like that analysis. The way you can do that is smash the like button. If you don't like it, smash the dislike button. Or even so, let me know in the comment section why you didn't like it. Okay, so see you guys in the next one. Thanks for tuning into my TED Talk.